Hmm. If I go live on YouTube, TikTok is gonna act up. Okay, so guys, looks like for today, I'm gonna just stay live on YouTube, okay? Because TikTok is acting up, my phone is heating up, not sure why. So for today's live, we'll just have the live session on YouTube for now, okay? So let's get the likes up, guys. I was live on TikTok a few moments ago, and now I had to switch to YouTube to continue the live session. Let's get the likes up, guys, and welcome back. If you're watching this recording, watching this live after it has ended, then welcome. It's great to have you here. What I do here is analyze the Forex and the cryptocurrency market, and I also do take live trades. If I see a good trading opportunity, I'll take it here live on YouTube. And this is a great place for beginners to learn how to trade the market and everything. Make sure you sign up with my two recommended brokers, Abaro and FXCC.com. The link is in the description box below. Make sure you register right away. Okay, these are the best brokers to use if you're looking to save money on trading fees and all that. Sign up with them. Okay, so as I was analyzing, okay, I was actually analyzing gold before I got kicked out. Live on YouTube. I was analyzing gold before I got kicked out. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So let's continue with the gold analysis. Okay, I was looking at the 1 hour time frame. I'm actually gonna let me make this screen, widen this screen. Okay, ignore GBP USD. Make this huge. 1 second. Okay. Okay, so let me begin. Okay, just give me a second. And I hope you guys can hear me. Let me know in the chat box if you guys can hear me. Are you guys able to hear me very well? Let me know. Let me know in the chat box if you can hear me, guys. Okay, perfect. Yeah. All right, so let's continue with the analysis for the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, we can see the price is coming down. It went to 27.07 there, and then it got rejected, right? Getting rejected. Now it's coming down. Okay, but now as it is coming down here, we do have some support here on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, currently have this support that is sitting between 2687 all the way up to 2700. Okay, so that is a current support, which the price, if it ends up holding that support, it could actually end up bouncing back up to 2707 once more before it continues falling down, because this is a major resistance here. Okay, 2707 and all that is a major resistance. It's a resistance on the daily time frame, so it's expected to actually bring the price all the way back down to this low here. Okay, so well, I believe before the price can come all the way down here, we need to lose this current support on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this 2787 is something that it needs to break below to come all the way down here. Okay, as long as it remains above this, it's not going down further. Okay, so far it has entered the support zone, but we have not yet gotten any bullish candlestick which is showing us that it's holding it. So if it just keeps getting bearish, if we just keep getting bearish candle after bearish candle, then it means it's most likely going to break it. However, as it only hit that resistance only once so far, yes, Yeah, so that resistance at 27.07, it hit it only once. Actually, on the 1 hour time frame, it hit it a couple of times, but we got rejected once so far. Okay, so we got hit 1, 2, 3, and then here, this is the first rejection we got finally, and then after that rejection, boom, price started crashing. Okay, so there's a chance it could go back up here again because of this current support. Okay, so if we end up getting a 1 hour bullish candlestick at this support, the price is most likely going to push back up to this area, and when it comes back here, we get rejected again, which means we see a bearish candlestick, then you can enter a sell again. Okay, and then if you enter sell here, you can just set your stop loss. If you want to be extra safe, set your stop loss above this high over here. So this would be at 27.30. Okay, 27.30 would be a good area to set your stop loss. Even above 27.35 will be even better, just to prevent fake breakouts. Sometimes price could break above this and then end up crashing down. Okay, so this is our current area to sell. Okay, number one area to sell is here between, not between 27.10 and 27.07. Good area to sell if price gets rejected. That's number one. The next best area to sell again is between 27.16 and 27.28. Okay, so this green box that I have here would be the next best area to enter sell if the price ends up breaking above this. Okay, so yeah, so for now guys, you don't want to sell because the price is currently approaching this support here. This is not a good area to sell. Okay, this is an area to look for a buy if it holds the support. Okay, and then of course if it breaks below this, then the next area, this is for scalping, but the next best area, if we end up losing this current support here, which is at 27.87, the next best area to buy would be around 26.74 and 26.63. This would be the next best area you should look for a buy if the price holds that support. Okay, so this is it. This is the analysis on the 1 hour time frame. Now I'm gonna go down to lower time frames so we can just look for the scalps. Okay, because on this live here we mainly scalp and everything. That's what I would do here. But these zones that I'm giving you, these are like areas for you who's looking for like trades where you would stay in it for a long time. Then these are the areas where you want to sell. I mean, where you want to enter your trades. Number one, sell here, buy here, also buy here if we're holding. Right now they're not holding, so you have to wait. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm gonna go to my other chart here that basically has all the areas that I've already marked out for scalping, and then I'm going to analyze other things. I'll look at Bitcoin after this. So for scalping and everything, right now we have a minor support here between 26.92, which I'm waiting for the price to come down to, and if it holds that support, I'm going to look to enter a buy here. Okay, and then for this one here, the stop loss would be slightly around 26.82 here. Okay, so this is where the stop loss would be for this buy. So this is buying area number one here, and then the second buying area would be down here at 26.87. Okay, the 26.87 will be the next best area to look for quick buy. Okay, and then in terms of sell, initially where I had this green box, I mean this blue box here at the top, this was the area where I wanted to enter sell. So 27.02 And 2707 would be an area where I would have loved to enter sell, but because the price already started dropping further, now it's creating a whole new resistance right here, which it's not a resistance yet, just because price is currently around it. So we need the price to drop further down. If it can drop further down, then this is going to turn into our resistance. Okay, if we drop down here, then this here turns into resistance. This is a new resistance, but it's not fully confirmed yet because we need the price to drop further down. Okay, so as of right now, this is still the resistance here for us to enter sell. I'm going to just check the 10 minutes to see if there's anything else. So I normally check, I do a top-down analysis starting from 1 hour all the way down to like 5 minutes to map out the resistance and stuff. Even on the 10 minutes, we have this one here, but I'm still not going to count it yet. Okay, so for gold here, we're just waiting for a buy down here. We'll hold it. Not, then we won't buy. And then for a sell, I'm still waiting for a sell up here if it comes up to this level. Okay, so that is it for gold here. Now let's look at something else while we wait for the market to get to this level that we are waiting for. Okay, so I'm gonna look at Bitcoin next. Let's check out Bitcoin. And guys, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're watching the live on YouTube, just hit that thumbs up. Okay, just hit the thumbs up. Just give this video a like. Really appreciate it. Currently, we have 5 likes. If I can get everybody that's currently watching to also hit likes, give the video a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. Okay, so Bitcoin, yeah, I know I have a lot of lines here. Looks scary, but I'm gonna delete them because this was due to the analysis we did earlier this morning in the morning live session. By the way, if you took that Bitcoin buy on the live, congrats, because the price actually went all the way to the target, which was at 76,000 76,120. That was the target, and it hit it. For me, I got out a little bit earlier, right? Yeah, but that was a nice buy for Bitcoin. So let me just delete. Let's see what happens since that analysis that we did. Let me delete all these lines here because it's no longer needed. So I'm gonna delete all these for now. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, so we had this so this is the 1 hour time frame. We can see we have this high here, price broke above it, so this is supposed to turn into support, and then that, including this low here, is support. And now this zone here that I currently have marked out, this is a small support on a lower time frame, which I actually used to enter buy for Bitcoin. Okay, so we can see price of Bitcoin came down to the support here, and then it pushed up. Okay, pushed up. However, it actually failed to break above this high. Okay, failed to break above this high. Instead, we got a lower high, and hence why the price actually started going back down. So this is interesting. Yeah, very interesting. But for now, I would say, for Bitcoin, main thing for now, the price actually has to hold in terms of like support. Right now, it is I need to mark this. So right here, okay, this is the current level Bitcoin. So 74,369 is basically the level that Bitcoin has to not break below. If we're going to continue pushing higher, it has to make sure to not break below 74,369. Okay, about there. If we break below this level here, then we're most likely going to dump further down. Okay, so that is it. We have strong support. This is a good area to look for buys. So between 74,000 369, all the way up to 75. Okay, good area for buy. Okay, this one here, I think we're gonna lose this support. I think we're gonna lose it. I need to check. Let's check the 30 minutes. Let's see, where was this taken from? Okay, so this is not on a 10 minutes, not, it's 5 minutes. See, okay, so this is not even a very strong support. Okay, what we see is that the price actually, let me see, the price actually tapped into the first part, went up, came back up here again, tapped into it. So since it's holding this support again, it's most likely, it's not 100% guaranteed, but there's a high chance it's coming back up here. Okay, now I just want to mark the resistance because on Bitcoin, the 1 hour here is not looking very, okay, the fact that we had this lower high, it's not very not looking too good. But let's see, I want to see, the best area to actually buy would be around 75. Okay, so 75,000 would be the best area to buy. This one here is not really looking like a good area to buy anymore. We now have this resistance the price has created. I'm actually going to mark it down. Okay, so this is a whole new resistance right there. I'm also going to delete this. This is a whole resistance. I wonder if the price is how the price is reacting. Okay, so this is a resistance because we broke below this low. It's coming back for a retest. If we get rejected again, it's going to drop back. Okay, it's going to most likely sell off down to this support here. Okay, so let's see, price is already yeah, so for Bitcoin, I'll say for now, look for sells for now around this zone, so between 75,000, okay, so 75,900 and 76,357. This is an area to look for sell for Bitcoin. Okay, because we now have resistance there. Okay, and then you can target this low here, 75,100 as the TP. So this is a retest. Now what we want to see, let me go, because the price is retesting, so we need to get a rejection. Right now it's at the resistance, but we want to see signs that it's going to get rejected. Right now it looks like, okay, by the way it looks like it's gonna push higher. Okay, so do not enter sell yet. Okay, let's wait for the price to actually push up here, because the top part here would be the strongest level where it's actually going to react from. Okay, so look for sell up at this level here at 76,300, yeah, 343, 219. That area is the area to look for sell for Bitcoin. From here on, it's probably, like I said, it's most likely going to buy, but then it's not. Yeah, this is based on my strategy. We do have this double bottom. Okay, double bottom here. This is why I'm saying it's most likely going to buy up to this resistance here. Okay, so if you want to take the buy here for Bitcoin, this is giving us pattern to buy. For me, I'm not going to enter buy here just because, you know, it's not a very strong area for me to look for buy. I'll prefer to buy down here around 75,000. that'll be better. Okay, here is a little bit uncertain. So yeah, already analyzed gold. Yeah, I did actually. So for gold, I'm just waiting for the market to come down to 26.92 for a buy. Okay, that's what we're waiting for. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so gold is not there yet. Okay, and then for Bitcoin, like I said, we want to enter sell around 76,326 if we get rejected. If we come here and we receive 5 minutes, okay, rejection, we can enter sell here because this is a resistance on the 1 hour time frame. So getting like a 5-minute rejection would be good, and even strongest confirmation would be 1 hour. Okay, with 5 minutes we're just entering in a little bit earlier. But yeah, and then the stop loss for this Bitcoin sell would be above 76,500. Okay, so if we're selling up here at 76,300, 200, stop loss would be about 76,600. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Now what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to set an alert because I'm not going to keep an eye on it. So I set an alert here at around 76,200 so that when the price gets there, we'll get notified and we can come here to look at what Bitcoin is doing. You can actually set an alert on TradingView by clicking here at the top where it says alert. Okay, so this price level, what is it? 76,230, about there, but let's just say 76,220. Okay, so I click on alert. Where it says value, this is where I want to put the price where I would like to get notified at. So that's 76,220. I put that there, and then at the bottom here in this message box, I need to make sure it says the same number here. Right now it's showing 75,925. I mean 924. So I need to change that. I can do that easily by just clicking on the message box, and then it will get updated. Okay, after that I just click on create. Okay, so now the alert has been set. As you can see that there's a dotted line right around that price level. So now I don't really need to check I don't need to be monitoring the Bitcoin price anymore, because when the price gets at the area where I want to enter, I will just get a notification, and then I can just come to see what the market is doing. If it's getting rejected, then I sell. If it's not, I don't enter a sell. Okay, so done. You can set alert directly from the line. Which line? On the far right. Okay, you're talking about this. Yeah, this is another area to bring it up, I guess. You can also bring it up here. Alert. Yeah, there's few ways, either here or you come here and then you bring it up. Okay, so let's look at GBP/USD next. Okay, I am actually in a trade for GBP/USD on my MetaTrader 4 account, which I'm not able to show here. Oh, okay, right here, I see. That's cool. So right here, you also click this to set the alert. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, I actually never knew that. Thank you for that. That's something new. I've never actually saw that. So that's actually a lot more quicker. So I just click on that, and then it literally has the thing right there for the alert. So that's cool. Thank you for that. See, there's always something new to learn in trading. We do not know everything. So GBP/USD currently in a sell. This is a sell I took from up here. Okay, so I just want to let's just quickly analyze what's going on. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. So this is the 1 hour time frame on GBP/USD. We can see the price is forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, this is a formation of an uptrend. Okay, so this is like a minor uptrend, you could say, on this pair here, GBP/USD. Now what we are seeing is that after the price made this high over here, okay, when it got to this top part at 130.09, okay, it then dropped. Okay, it got rejected. After it got rejected, it came back to the support. The support was at 29.47 there. So that the support, that was a good area for the price to bounce back up, right? So great, it bounced up. Now the goal was for the price to break this resistance here, 1.3009. That was the goal for it to do. But unfortunately, GBP/USD was not able to break that resistance. Instead, we got a lower high formation right here. Okay, so price formed a lower high here where I have this yellow line. Okay, so that's actually a bearish pattern. Whenever the price is in an uptrend like this, going up higher, after it starts retracing, coming back to the previous high, and it, instead of coming at the previous high to either get rejected or break it, instead it forms a lower high. Usually that's a sign that the price is going to drop. Okay, and this is why I took the sell, because I noticed this rejection here forming a lower high, so I ended up taking the sell. And then with this sell, the target was down here at 29.61. okay, because this here is the support price. Is if it holds it, okay, if it holds it, then it will bounce back up. If not, then it's gonna crash. Okay, this is a bearish pattern right here. Yeah, so that was a sell, and now it's heading down. We still have 29.47 as the support, which the price is coming down to. Okay, so if the price is able to hold this support 29.47, it's going to actually bounce back up. Okay, it's gonna actually bounce back up. But if it's not able to hold it, then it's gonna fall further down. Okay, so with GBP/USD, as of right now, if you're trying to buy GBP/USD and stuff, a really good area to look for buy would be at around 29.47. Okay, so around 29.47 would be a good area to look for potential buy here. And yeah, so this is where you want to buy, but for now, because we're having this bearish structure, it would be better to look for sells. Okay, and the area for sell, I need to we currently have this support. It has not held it, so let's see where is an area where it could retrace back from for a potential sell. So it did retrace here again, dropped. Okay. Okay. Okay, right there. Okay, so we have now resistance at 29.80. Okay, this is a good area that if it goes back to, you can enter a sell there. Okay, so 29.80 would be a good area to look for a sell when GBP/USD returns back to it and it gets rejected. This would be a good area to look for a sell, and then for a buy, it will be down here. Okay, down here at 29.47. So for now, for GBP/USD, you don't want to do anything. Okay, we don't want to do anything. I mean, we do have this support here, which, like I said, if the price holds, okay, if it holds this support, then of course it's going to go up. okay? But if we break below it, it's coming back down, okay? So your job right now is to wait for it to either come back down here, look for a buy, or for it to go back up here to look for a sell. Or if it holds this support, then you look for a buy. So holding means that we need a 1 hour bullish candlestick to close at that support. So once we get that, then that could be an area to look for a buy. But until then, you don't want to enter any buy. Okay, so that's GBUSD. See what gold is doing. I'm gonna just refresh the screen, see what the price is doing here. Is it holding, getting rejected? Let's check it. Okay, let's go to the 1 minute. So on the 1 minute time frame, yeah, it's still not at the area where I would love to buy. You know, it's not at 26.92, so still not gonna really buy. So now it's just still a matter of waiting, pretty much. Okay, still a matter of waiting. We just need to be patient, give the market time to make its way down here. If it doesn't, then if it just keeps going up, then we want to look for a sell. Okay, and I've already if you're just joining the live, I'll just say this again. The area currently that we want to look for a sell for gold, okay, the current area to look for sell for gold as of right now is at 27.02, okay, 27.02 all the way up to 27.07. This is a good area to look for sell, okay, for gold. So yeah, so let's analyze. Let's look at Bitcoin. I don't want to analyze too many pairs today. Let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is slowly making its way up there. Interesting. It's not yet at the resistance. Okay. Let's check USD/JPY, what has happened, because I did analyze USD/JPY earlier today. Okay. All right. So this is USD/JPY. Interesting. Yeah. You can see this support here. Price held it a little bit. Okay, we got a few bounce back and forth here. Now it's currently breaking below this support. Okay, GBP/USD is currently breaking below this support. Now where is it heading? I need to zoom out to see what is the current market structure on this 1 hour time frame. Okay, on this 1 hour time frame, what we see, the price is currently in a bearish market structure. Okay, we enter this bearish market structure once the price, you know, this one here was a bit of a tricky move, but you know, once we got rejected here, then the price just did a complete shift. Okay, started forming lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so this is a current bearish structure on the 1 hour time frame. Now we had the resistance up here. Okay, there was this resistance here which price currently had. It pushed up, it didn't really touch it, and then started getting rejected. Now we had this support here. Okay, this low here, this is the lowest point it went to, and then right now it's currently breaking below that. Okay, so once we get this 1 hour candle to close below this low, which is at 152.87, this is not going to turn into resistance. Okay, so this level here turns into our resistance here on the 1 hour time frame, and this would be an area where you want to enter a sell. When the price push back to this area, you can enter a sell right there. So it will be between, the resistance is between 152.91 and 153.50. That will be the area where you want to enter a sell. from. Okay, and then in terms of buy, right now we have a very strong area to buy down over here. So this is between 150, 151.30 and and 151.93. Okay, so this entire zone here in purple is a good area to look for a buy for USD JPY. It looks like it's most likely coming down here. I wonder if we have any support along the way. Let's see. 30 minutes, there's none. 15, there's none. Okay, even on the 10-minute, there's none. So as of right now, literally there's no other support for the price. So it's most likely going to drop. Okay, it's most likely going to drop all the way down into this zone before pushing up. Let me see on the 3 minutes. Sometimes we could have a support on this. This one is like the lowest. I usually don't use those supports, but currently we have like a minor support right here. Okay, minor support right here, which I think the price may try to hold. I wonder. Okay, it may try to hold that support, but if it loses this one, because that's the only support it has, then it's coming down all the way down here. Okay, but don't sell here though. Even though like for the price to come all the way down there, it's not like 100% certain. And even if it is certain though, you don't want to sell here though, because selling here, you're selling at the bottom. Okay, you're literally selling when the price is making a new low, which is not a good area to sell. It's best to sell when the price, like you should be selling at this way, not selling when the price is going down. Okay, so that's why I'm saying don't enter a sell, just because it's not a good way to trade. Okay, so for right now, the best area to sell is at 152.86. Okay, 86. Price is definitely gonna pull back there eventually. Okay, eventually it's gonna come back here. Look for sell at that level. Okay, and then look for a buy. Look for a buy down here, 151.93, 151.32. That's where you want to look for a buy. Okay, so yeah, so guys, give me like two pairs or something that I can analyze. So far I have analyzed USD JPY, we've looked at gold, we've looked at Bitcoin, and GBP USD as well. I'm running out of things to analyze. US 100, been a while. The price is currently at 21,000. Wow. Damn. So US 100 is actually something I haven't been trading in a while. I think it's been at least a week. I did not trade it, but let me take a look at it. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, because I asked for any suggestions of pairs to analyze, but nobody's saying anything. I don't know if you guys are hearing me or not. Let me know in the comment section if you can hear me. And by the way, guys, the registration for the January trading class is now open. Yeah, you can register for the trading class by going to the description box below of this video. You'll see a link that says trading class. Click on it and then make sure you fill the form so you can register for the class. Okay, the next trading class is starting around January. The start date, the exact start date has not yet been out, but just start registering for it now. The deadline to register would be at the deadline to register for the trading class of January 2025 would be in December 26th. Okay, so that's the deadline. And if you're not in my Telegram group, make sure you join it. The link to the Telegram group is below the description of this live. and sign up with my recommended broker avado.com and FXCC so you can save money on trading fees and everything. The trading class is not free, it is a class that you need to pay for. Okay, so US 100, I'm gonna just analyze it. Let's see what is going on. Price on the daily time frame is currently making a new high. I see people asking, so the trading class, if you want to know the price, you need to click the link on the description box to see it. Okay, just click the link on there to see it. I actually need to update it because I think the link that I have there is for November, so I'm going to update it. But even if you click the one of November trading class, you'll still, the price is still the same. So just click on it and then you should be able to see it. Okay, so yeah, US 100 is currently making a new high. It's 21,000. Wow. So right now it's at a whole new price level. Okay, there's no resistance on the daily time frame, literally no resistance at all. Okay, last resistance was here at 20,000. 20,762. That was the last resistance. The price has been able to break above that, so this should turn into support. Okay, now right now price is making a new high. A good area to look for buy would be, what did I do? Okay, so good area to enter buy would be around 20,671. Okay, around there, this would be a good area. So right there, when the price push back down to that area, that's area number one to buy. And then the support or the low that the price shouldn't break below is right here. Okay, this is our daily time frame low here. This is the lowest point the price went to, so 19,891 is the lowest the price can go to if it comes back down. If we break below this, if it breaks below that level, then it's gonna crash. Okay, it's gonna crash further down. Okay, so this the most important level. Number one, look for buy around here, 20,761. Okay, so that's the daily time frame, and so far we have no resistance, like I said. So let's check 1 hour, see what's going on. This is amazing. I love how this index just goes up. Like once it has decided that it wants to start going up, it will literally just start going up without stopping. Okay, that's literally what US 100 tends to do. Once it has decided that it is ready to start going up, it usually will just keep going up, up without really pushing, without really pulling back at all. You know, we just see like minor pullbacks, just minor pullbacks. You know, it's just in a very, very strong uptrend, which is crazy. Okay, so this 1 hour time frame, literally I'm just like, where is an area where it could retrace from? Because we're not really seeing any strong pullbacks, okay, in the market. Sometimes this could also be dangerous. Okay, if the price is going up like this without doing any like extreme pullbacks, usually this is a move that the price could easily like eliminate. Where by eliminate I mean it could literally just clear out just within like 1 or 2 candlesticks. It can literally clear it out, because as it is going, it was not really building strong support along the way. Anytime it push, as it is going up like this, when it pulls back up, pulls back down, this is support that it's building. Okay, all these pullbacks, these high lows that it is forming, these are all support. And the further, okay, the further it drops, okay, as it is pulling back, the stronger the support. You understand? The further it drops, the stronger the support. But if it's going up and it's just pulling back just a little bit, you know, this support here tends to not be very strong. So once the price is able to break below one of those supports, is going to be able to easily just crash and then go all the way down to a major support, which in this case is actually sitting down at around 20,761. Okay, 20,761 is like the area where the price would most likely come down to find strong support and hopefully continue this uptrend that it is currently in. Okay, so now if I want to look at the 1 hour, I want to see what is really going on here. Okay, let's see, I'm zooming in to really understand what's going on. Yeah, so checking this 1 hour time frame, I can see, okay, so we had this high which price broke above, okay, and now prices looks like it's consolidating around this area. Okay, it's been hanging around this area for a long time now, okay, for at least how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For about 7 hours it's been sitting around the same area. Okay, so for the market to actually start selling off, okay, right now we have this resistance. Okay, we currently have this resistance 21,150. Okay. Oh, okay. One second, guys. Okay. So yeah, like I was saying, we have this resistance 21,150, right? That is our resistance because that's the highest price went to, and then we got it got rejected at that point. Okay, got rejected at that point. Okay, even mark this here. Okay, so this is our current resistance here for US 100. Then in terms of support, as of right now, the support we have is right here. Okay, so this is our resistance up here, 21,150. Our support as of right now is sitting at 21,096 all the way down to 21,050. So in order for the price to start basically dropping further down, it has to break below this level here. It has to break below 21,050. Once we get a 1 hour candle, bearish candlesticks below this point, it's going to drop. So if you're looking for a sell, best time to sell would be if we close below 21,050. That would be where you want to enter your sell. And then for a buy, of course, here would be a good area for a buy if the price is holding it. Okay, if it comes here and then it pushes back up, this is a good area for a buy as well. So yeah, let me just check gold. I need to check gold here because I'm seeing a move for gold. Maybe this is going to be our opportunity to actually enter a buy on gold. Okay, price hasn't really made it all the way down. Wait, this is the wrong chart. Okay, so it came here, it didn't make exactly at 26.92 there. It only stopped here, and now it's pushing up. Okay, so this is a very strong push up. I think it's most likely gonna continue it. Okay, so for this for gold here, I need to see what the bigger time frame. We might have already missed the buy, because I would have, where it's already literally at the area where I would have taken profit. Okay, here, so buying, this area was at 26.92. This is where I wanted to buy. Okay, and then the take profit was going to be up here at 26.96. That's where I would have taken profit. But now I can see the price came down here at 26.93. It's quickly bouncing up. So this is yeah, this is very tempting, but we already missed that buy. So for now, if we're still gonna wait for 26.92. Hopefully it comes down here. If it doesn't, then that's fine. We'll just wait, okay? Because right now we've already missed. I was gonna enter buy here, but it already pushed the TP area, so can't really enter buy anymore. So yeah, for now we just need to wait. Let me check what the 1 hour time frame is looking like. So the 1 hour, okay, so we currently have this 1 hour candle, which is has about 25 minutes left to close. So if this 1 hour candle closes bullish, just know that gold is going to buy. Okay, if it closes bullish, that is a strong indication that gold is going to buy, because it's closing at a very strong support here on the 1 hour. So keep an eye on this 1 hour candle. If it closes bullish, it is going to buy, probably back to like 27.02, 27.07 there. That's where it's going to get to eventually. Okay, that's pretty much it. So yeah guys, so for gold, just keep monitoring the chart. Make sure you mark out the levels. And for those of you who regularly watch my live, okay, consistently watch my live, I hope you guys are learning a lot. Okay, because literally I am showing you guys areas where you can be buying and selling. And if you are in my public Telegram group, you know that I do send signals on that Telegram group, and a lot of the signals I send are based on these zones that I have mapped out. So if you watch the live, okay, if you're watching the lives and everything, you should be able to know exactly where I am. Like if I send a buy or whatever, if you go back to my past analysis, previous analysis or whatever for that day, you should be able to know exactly where I placed that buy. And then you should know how to also monitor it, okay? Because if you've been following this live for a while, you should be starting to learn a thing or two from the analysis, how I go about it and stuff like that. So you should be able to start knowing exactly, where to enter, where to get out, where to set your stop loss and stuff. Okay, so I hope you guys are learning a lot from that. So from this buy here, by the way, where I would have set the stop loss would have been down here at around 26.82. Okay, so this is where I would have set the stop loss. If I'm buying here 26.92, it'll be down here. Okay, now this is a stop loss that is very, very rare. Price is gonna hit it without first going back to the TP. Okay, very rare. That's why I set it here, because this is like the only time where this kind of stop loss gets hit is when there's news. Usually when there's like high impact news, that's when the market just the strategy that I use, sometimes it will fail when there's like high impact news, because the price will just, there's so much volatility, so it will just not respect anything at all. But when there's no news at all, majority of the time the price is always going to do what I have analyzed. Okay, these zones that I map out on the lower time frame, 99% of the time price always respects it. Okay, there's a very, very powerful strategy to scalp. Okay, I haven't really gone into too much details about it, but if you're someone who's like you pay very close attention and all that, you should be able to start picking a thing or two from that. Okay, but if you want to learn more about the strategy to really understand how I place the entries and stuff like that, how I map out all the zones, then you will have to join the trading class so you can learn more about it, because this is where I share the secret. Okay, this is where I share the secret. So make sure you register for the January 2025 class to learn more about it. Link to register is on the description box. Okay, so if I check gold, let me go back to the 1 minute time frame. Let's see, look at that. You see why I was very tempted to want to enter buy, but I'm like, nah, it's already too late. Price is already coming down, so it's probably going to come all the way down here, and if it does, this is going to be where we want to enter a buy. Okay, so patience is key in trading. Let's see what is Bitcoin doing. Let me check 5 minutes. Wow, you see that it's going higher. So yeah, it's not at the resistance yet. 76,220 is the resistance. It's not there yet, so you don't want to enter sell yet. Okay, so guys, we're gonna end the live for today. Okay, we're gonna call it a day. I'll come back in the morning for the live in the morning at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Telegram group to get notified when I come live. Okay, thank you so much for joining today's live. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you learned a thing or two. Please give this video a thumbs up if you're watching it right now, or if you're watching it after the live session. Please give it a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. I'll see you guys later. Enjoy your day, or have a good night if it's night over there. Okay, bye for now, guys.